Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I will show you how you can create a Facebook account. I will walk you through all the steps you need in order to create your Facebook account and your Facebook profile. So let's just immediately start by opening the Facebook app. You can download Facebook from the App Store or the Google Play Store on Android. Now what we're going to do to create a new account is we're going to click on Create New Account and click on Get Started. Here, just type in your first and last name. So I will just type mine is Justin. And because I'm creating a fun meme accounting, I will just do 2 times Justin, but of course you can do whatever you want. Then September 25th is my birthday, so I'm going to do that. What's your birthday? Really obvious, just type in when you were born. And click on next, and it's going to ask you what gender you are. You can either choose female, male, or more options. However, I would just recommend going for male or female. Then clicking on next. And here you can do what's your phone number. So we're going to sign up with a phone number. However, if you don't want to sign up with a phone number, you can also sign up with an email. And that's actually what I'm going to do in this video. So I just simply type in my email, which is really obvious of course, just like this. Make sure that you have access to the email because you will get a verification code on your email later on. So click on next. And create a password. We're simply going to create a password, which is also really obvious. I'm just going to forward this random password. Not sure why, but I'm going to delete this account afterwards, so the password doesn't matter for you. But make sure you have a good and strong password so nobody hacks your account. Then click on next, and it's asking you if you want to save your login info. You can either choose yes or no, really obvious. I'm going to click on not now and click on I agree. And now we are currently creating our account. It's going to take a few seconds, and then we're going to get to the next page. Make sure you have a good Wi-Fi connection so it will go even quicker. Mine is currently loading pretty long, but should be there in just a few seconds, so let's see. And we can see it's already there. Facebook will like to send you notifications. So just click on allow or don't allow, whichever one you prefer. Then, like I said, your confirmation code you're getting in your email. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our Gmail, just like this. Really obvious. Then we're going to wait for Facebook and we can see my verification code. This is from right here, 98521. 98521 and click on next. Now we can see that it's asking us for some more cookies, and it's also asking me if I want to add a profile picture. This can also be done later on, just so click on skip. Allow cookies, allow all cookies. And now allow all cookies again, not sure why. Click on next. Alright, so after some struggling, I finally got in. I used the wrong email. I've already used that email before, so I just simply changed my email again to an email I hadn't used on a Facebook account, and now we're in. So this will pop up if you have logged in. Simply click on turn on contacts, uploading to find friends fast. So you can click on next if you want to, but if you don't want to, just simply click on don't allow, and it will just not give you any friends from your contacts. Then click on next, and now we're in Facebook. Now here you have your friends tab, your video tab. Here's your profile. It's actually in the middle, not always to the right. Just like on TikTok and Instagram, it's right here in the middle. It's asking me if I want to continue setting up my profile. I'm not going to do that right now. That will just simply mean adding a profile picture, username, and all those kind of things. Then you have your notifications right here and your menu with some extra help and extra settings. So yeah, that's how you can create a Facebook account. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.